Hello today! This is my super amazing Hape Marble Run 8. It's called Turntrack. It's called Turntrack because this track turns, hence its name. It starts with a super nice sounding music block and ends with two super nice sounding music blocks that I can't wait for you to hear. Let's put a marble down it. Yeah, so that was path 1. Let's put a marble down the second path. Oh no! The marble fell off! What can we do? Well, I hope you remember what the marble run's called. Turntrack. So we can just turn the track so it fits in place. Let's see how it works now. All right, take 2. Yeah, so that was my super amazing Hape Marble Run 8 Turntrack. If you like this video, please hit the like button below and make sure to subscribe. Bye!